Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's awesome. So today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube solve while handcuffed. And these are real Smith & Wesson handcuffs I got a long time ago. So I'm going to be solving the cube in the handcuffs and then breaking out of the handcuffs and see how long it takes me to do it on my timer. So I've done this twice, and I did it last night, and I got about 40 something seconds. So let's see how good I can do right now. So we'll reset my timer, put the handcuffs on. Now I'll do it just so you guys can see. They are actually on, and there's not really any wiggle room. Well, there is, but I can't get my wrist out. So there's that. And here's my cube. I'll just scramble it randomly. So that's scrambled. And so, just about ready. I'm going to look at this cube for a second. Okay. So here I go. One more look. Okay. And no, I'm not using a key to do this. Nice. So, I did all that in 38.47 seconds. So, I did that, and I wasn't using a key, I was using focus. My camera will focus. This is the bobby pin that I used to pick it. And I made it myself for stuff. So, did it in about 39 and a half seconds. New record, yeah. Because every time I mess up on this, because it's kind of awkward solving it like that. So, I did that. That's pretty cool. So, if you guys know how to pick handcuffs, I encourage you guys to try this challenge yourself and send me a video and do it. Yeah. See you guys later.